We are participating in that since last 10 years, and this is going to be a really game changer for us. Yeah, hi, I'm Gagan. I take care of pan-India business for institution for Deep Freezer. As we know that Haier is a global brand, and we are participating in that since last 10 years, and this is going to be a really game changer for us. See, these kind of exhibition give a lot of exposure, right? A common man also can come and see the product visibly, which is quite difficult for everybody to just go and shop to shop. Here you get each and every brand. So it's a really big platform for a small player to a big player. So you get a lot of exposure and we get a lot of reach to the people. So that's the main agenda of the exhibition. It is not necessary that we always go for the selling part, but yes, it is always goes for the promotion. And we come to know each other what exactly a customer need, and accordingly we can produce the product. So the way we have produced our deep freezers for institution, so it is only on the demand of the customer. That's how we need this, we require this. So we interact with the customers. So that's the basic agenda, and that's the benefit of exhibition of Khadya Khurak. A lot of people coming in, a lot of potential are there. Today I have met few starting from the Bangalore, Kerala, North Indians, specifically from Punjab. People are all over there from India. That's the best part, which I can see the modacity, and everybody is coming and looking into it, along with only with the institutional product to the retailer and to the food products. Of course, it's a Khadya Khurak, so definitely people are there who gonna promote their product in terms of manufacturing, in terms of institution, in terms of retail. Everybody is on the common platform. That's the best part of Khadya Khurak, which I can say. From Haier team, all blessings are with you. You guys are doing a really great job, and we are really looking forward to go for many more years of collaboration.
Superb.